Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and if you are looking for a coat for your man that can do it all, then you are in luck because I have found the best one, and that's this black puffer coat for men by FARVALUE. I really was impressed by the quality. It's got this nice quilted look to it. The insulation is very thick and warm. When it was frigid and windy, my husband said he felt absolutely nothing, and it did definitely rain on us a lot. He felt no moisture, he felt no cold, and looked great while we were camping, while we were doing our volunteer work in dress clothes. It really was the perfect jacket to bring on this trip with us. I really appreciated the pockets. They were perfectly placed so that he can easily put in his hands if he's not wearing gloves, keep them warm. It has a zipper, but also button clasps, a bunch of adjustment drawstrings to have the hood go tighter and also to taper the waist if you want that. It's also got this nice little face cover part that you can clasp together. The hood is detachable, so if that's something you don't want, you can easily take it off. I enjoyed that feature. It's got a nice hook here where you can put your sunglasses. It also has a nice looking material on the outside and on the inside that keeps you warm, dry, and looks good with any type of outfit that can handle anything. And this is definitely the coat for you if that's something that you're looking for. But that's just my point of view.